DJI, short for Djing Innovation Science and Technology Company, Limited, is a Chinese technology company specializing in drones and aerial photography systems. Here's a brief overview of DJI's history. Founding, 2006. DJI was founded in 2006 by Frank Wang, a Chinese entrepreneur with a passion for remote-control helicopters. Initially, the company focused on producing flight control systems for model airplanes and helicopters. Entry into the drone market, 2010. In 2010, DJI released its first consumer drone, the Phantom 1. This marked the company's entry into the consumer drone market. The Phantom series became highly popular due to its ease of use, affordability, and advanced features. Rapid growth and innovation. Over the following years, DJI experienced rapid growth and became a dominant player in the drone industry. The company continued to innovate, releasing new models with improved flight capabilities, camera systems, and software features. Expansion into commercial and industrial markets. DJI expanded beyond the consumer market and began targeting commercial and industrial customers. Its drones found applications in various industries, including agriculture, construction, filmmaking, and public safety. Technological advancements. DJI focused on technological advancements, introducing features such as obstacle avoidance, automated flight modes, and high-resolution cameras. These innovations further solidified DJI's position as a leader in the drone industry. Controversies and regulatory challenges. Despite its success, DJI faced controversies and regulatory challenges. Concerns were raised regarding privacy, security, and the use of DJI drones in sensitive areas. Additionally, regulatory bodies in various countries implemented restrictions on drone usage, impacting DJI's operations in certain regions. Expansion beyond drones. In addition to drones, DJI diversified its product portfolio to include other technologies such as handheld stabilizers, DJI Osmo series, camera accessories, and software solutions for aerial photography and data analysis. Global presence. DJI established a strong global presence, with offices and distributors worldwide. The company's products are used by individuals, businesses, government agencies, and educational institutions in numerous countries. Overall, DJI's history is characterized by its rapid rise to prominence in the drone industry, fueled by innovation, technological advancements, and a diverse product lineup catering to various market segments.